Well, you can see the Grundig Satellite Transistor 5000 is back apart. Using it earlier in the day. FM was working good, switched it to AM, turned in the tuning knob, and heard a pop. Then it just started freewheeling, so I knew right away the dial cord had broken. So one of my worst fears came to realization. So have it pulled out, and maybe while I do have it pulled out, I can show you well, at least what I did for trying to get some cleaner into the push button switches to clean them. So here's the side view of the push button switches that I showed in a previous video. So I guess, from this side, there's really not much access. So it looks like, in watching the Radio Crunchers video, he was trying to figure out where to spray, because these push buttons, activate. But then, according to the schematic, I guess it's hard to see. Get a light. But these, you can see like this bead of soldered connections. I guess those are points that make and break. Back up in here too, make and break when you flip those push button switches. So there's some type of connection activity going on in here, and you can see, I guess there's some holes in the circuit board. It's actually kind of hard to see. See, there's a big slit there's a hole right there, 2 holes. So that's where I put the nozzle of the deoxit can and just squirted some, into the holes here and into here. And also came in from the side here and just tried to squirt it so it would go this direction, which seemed to work, because now when I push the push buttons, they pretty much go to the band. You don't get any quiet, like they're not activating. And while I have this out, here's the drum dial up here. So let's see. So on this side, can't pull it out too far. I haven't taken off the. There's really, that's just the end where the knob goes, but on the top there, this is just the plastic with the dial, and I couldn't really see, but there's some kind of holes, but I don't think that goes through. So the only way to get any cleaner in was from this side, and see there's a bunch of stuff in the way, but up in here there's some contacts that you can see opening and closing and moving, so that's where I had to try to squirt the cleaner in there. I guess it'd be a whole lot easier to take this off, but I'm not hassling with that. So here's what it looks like behind the the dial indicator. Then there's a white background that goes behind this that it took off, and these are the switches. You can see they just slide from the left to the right. So this would be when it's not selected, and then when you select it, those 2 contacts slide over. So I sprayed all of these with some deoxit. So here's FM is on the bottom.
U.S. service
You
members
see
died
that?
over the past week.
That was always working.
In its war with Iran, 3 in
But
Jordan,
here's
and
the
1 in
antenna,
Iraq. The number of U.S. military deaths from the
external
war is
antenna.
now
But
at
here's
least
the
18.
S4. And this is the antenna connection. So I wasn't getting that before. S3, same thing. S2, S1. And this is medium wave. So it's picking up, I guess, from the ferrite bar, and then long wave is above that, and this is the S5 through 10. So I was definitely getting more than I was before. So I'll probably try spraying them again. You know, leave it out for a while, and spray them one more time.